Let me show you how to color grade in CapCut on your PC. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open up CapCut and import the video you want to color grade by clicking the Import button and selecting your video. Once it's imported, drag your video to the timeline. Now, click on the video clip of the timeline to select it. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see several editing options. Look for the Adjustment tab, which is where the color grading tools are located. In the Adjustment tab, you'll see several sliders for controlling different aspects of the color grading process. Let's go through them. Brilliance. This adjusts how light or dark the overall image is. Moving the slider to the right brightens the image, while moving it to the left darkens it. Then we have Contrast. This controls the difference between the light and dark areas of the video. Increasing the contrast will make the darks darker and the lights brighter, while decreasing it will flatten the image and make it more neutral. We then come to Saturation. This affects the intensity of the colors. If you want more vibrant, rich colors, increase the saturation. If you want a more muted look, decrease the saturation. Then we have Exposure. This is useful for correcting overexposed or underexposed footage. Increasing the exposure brightens the image, while decreasing it makes the video darker. Then there's Temperature. The temperature slider allows you to adjust the warmth or coolness of your footage. Moving the slider to the right will make the image warmer, more yellow, while moving it to the left will make it cooler, more blue. We then have Tint. This slider adjusts the color balance between the green and magenta. Moving it to the right will add more magenta tones, while moving it to the left adds more green tones. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, you can refine the look further by using the Filters tab for additional color grading presets. You can browse through various filters like Vivid, Retro, or Cinematic and apply them to your footage. If you want to fine-tune the effect of the filter, adjust the intensity slider for a more subtle look. If you then want to copy your color grade to other clips in the timeline, select the clip you've color graded, click the Copy Attributes. Then, select the other clips you want to apply the same color grade to, and click Paste Attributes. That's it. You've now color graded your video in CapCut on PC. I hope this video helped.